APNR static mixer maintenance. We now show how to maintain the mixer. The parts to be verified and eventually cleaned are the static mixer, the conductivity cell, and the spray nozzles. We suggest to substitute the dosing pump tubes every 12-18 months. Every 2-3 months, clean the mixer, as well as the conductivity cell and the nozzles. We now proceed with maintenance and cleaning of the static mixer. Switch off the panel. Close the faucets, both the input and the output. Drain the static mixer, opening the valve carefully. Close the input valve. Disconnect the two dosing pumps. Remove the catch. Unscrew and remove the mixer. Unscrew above and below in order to clean the internal part. Disassemble both at the front and at the rear. Inside the mixer you can find some plastic ratchets. You will require a screwdriver to add remover. Clean them with water. Put them back in the mixer and screw both sides. Install the static mixer back on the dilution panel. Screw back the fixtures, tightening slightly both the upper and the lower part. Connect the dosing pump tubes again. Fix the catch back. Open the faucets. Give power to the panel.